Welcome! In this video, we will show you how to create a new project in InLoox web app. Let's get started. After successfully logging into InLoox web app, select Projects in the left menu to access the project list. To create a new project, click on the blue button, New Project. Please note, to do so, you need the permission to create projects. In the project list, a new project appears. On the right-hand side, you will find a side panel with which you can edit the project. There are various menu areas within the project that you can switch between. In this video, we will cover the Manage page, which deals with the basic information of the project. You can switch to the full screen view by clicking on the icon with the two arrows in the top right-hand corner. Click in the header and give the project a new name. Set a start and end date of the project. In the project description, you can, for example, write down the key objectives of the project or share important links. You have the option to get support from the AI Assistant by clicking on the magic wand to generate a suggestion for the description. Click on the plus sign at the top right next to your profile picture to add further project members. The different roles are associated with different read and write permissions in the project. These are defined by the administrator in the account settings. You can mark the project as a favorite using the star icon. You can also add a project image. Also select the division, category, and client of the new project, which are also defined in the InLoox settings under Organization. Under Assessment, estimate the project based on risk, size, and value on a scale from 1 to 10. This forms the basis for your portfolio management. If you would like to define your own additional fields in the Manage page, you can do so in the Settings. On the right, you can write important information and messages in the form of comments. You can tag single users or groups like the whole team. The Changes section is similar to a timeline in which all changes within the project are tracked. You have now set the basic details of the project. All settings are saved automatically. Next, you can, for example, create tasks or a project planning. Learn how to do this in our other videos and help articles on our website under InLoox.com.